How to flip and rotate a video in CapCut. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to flip and rotate a video in CapCut on PC. Without further ado, let's begin. First launch CapCut app and then you can click on import button to import a particular video. If you want to add to track, you can simply click on this plus button or you can drag and drop on this timeline. So let's delete this previous one. And with that, it has already been appeared to your track. In order to flip and rotate the video, you can simply click on this mirror button to flip the video. As you can see that it has already been flipped on our CapCut. So if you want to rotate this video, you can click on this rotate button and then rotate as per your wish. So once you have adjusted the video, you can click on export button at top right corner and export the video on any of your location on PC. With that, you have successfully flipped and rotated video on CapCut. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.